I don't think people understand just how much of a culinary adventure making kimchi can be. It's like taking a trip to Korea without leaving your kitchen. Start with a fresh Napa cabbage. That's the base of your kimchi adventure. First, chop the cabbage, salt it generously, and let it sit. This draws out water and starts the magic of fermentation. Meanwhile, let's talk spice paste: garlic, ginger, sugar, and the star player, gochugaru, or Korean chili flakes. Mix these with some fish sauce and finely chopped scallions for that authentic kick. Fun fact: did you know that kimchi was originally made without chili peppers? They were added only after Portuguese traders brought them to Korea in the 17th century. Once your cabbage is nicely wilted, rinse it and mix thoroughly with your spice paste. Pack it tightly in a jar and let fermentation do its thing for a few days. And there you have it, your very own homemade kimchi, bursting with flavors and probiotics that boost your gut health. So, not only are you indulging in a delicious, culturally rich dish, you're also taking care of your body. Win-win, right?